welcome back to my channel, and I would love to say welcome back to a video of Poojovlogs. First of all, I would really like to apologize because this year I know I could not give 100% dedication to my whole series. I did upload a few shots here and there, but ऐसे full-fledged videos मैंने 2 ही डाले थे. So I would kind of apologize for that. But this video and one more video together are just gonna conclude my Poojovlogs series. Now, actually, without blabbering much, today I have decided to do a very special and a very different type of video, which is again in collaboration with my sister, and we are going to be playing a very fun game. So without any further ado, let's first call on my sister.
Hi guys!
So here is my sister. So you want to say what game we are playing?
First of all, I'm like क्या सब क्रिंज करवा दिया तुम मेरे से?
Like,
तुम्हारे वाले
एक तो मैं ऐसे रेड बांधने की बैठी हूँ, तो मुझसे ज़्यादा क्रिंज कोई हो नहीं सकता अभी.
Okay.
So we are basically going to play a game of truth or drink, and मैंने ऐसे videos बहुत देखे on the internet, and I just wanted to play it because it looked really fun. So today I'm gonna have a couple of questions for my sister and for me, both of us, and if we choose to answer it, we answer it, and if not, we have to take a very ugly shot. So basically I have all of my questions in this Pond ki dibbi, and if I choose not to answer any question or she chooses not to answer any question, then we have to have this shot. But trust me, this tastes very bad because this is equal parts vinegar with equal parts water. So I don't know कैसे ये होगा.
Vinegar.
Yeah, you have to have vinegar. तो cheap budget में इतना ही हो सकता है. Obviously हम real alcohol पियेंगे नहीं. So let's begin with the chits.
No, I have a doubt. Before that,
Okay.
is it only you who gets to ask all the questions?
No, it's just the chits in here
Because you are all prepared, but I don't have any questions.
No, I am also not prepared.
How is it
technically.
possible that only I'll drink?
No, it's not just you drink. If I decide I don't want to answer any question, even I have to drink.
No, but you already know the question.
So रुको जरा सबर करो.
Okay, so you would like to pick a chit? Come on. First question. What is it? Okay, there are 2 questions in this. The first one is
Love or money?
okay, what?
Of course, money.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
Of course, yeah.
And the worst thing that you've done in
High school or college?
Worst thing.
You have done a lot of things. Please, come on, tell. like okay, you were a bully. Please.
No.
No, I wouldn't say she was like a mean
Worst thing
bully,
I've done.
but she has done some bad things that I know.
I don't know if it's like the worst thing, but like right now I recall one thing which is not good, shouldn't be done. I had made fun of a friend in front of her without realizing it.
That is not even a. You've done things worse than this. This is
No,
such
like what? I was trying to copy her accent, which was really weird, and I was doing that in front of her, and she was laughing along with me. Now your turn.
the worst thing. I have not done anything like that. Like I have been bullied many a times, not
By
like,
me?
not by you, not just by you. That's what I will say. Like I have been the victim, but I have not done anything bad in high school or college.
No, that's rubbish.
No, I have.
It's not possible. You've not done anything. You've done things. I know.
What? मुझे याद नहीं.
In college.
कॉलेज में मैंने किसी का रेबेलियन नहीं किया भाई. मैं बहुत ही अच्छी लड़की हूँ.
You have to take a drink because that was not a proper answer.
If I have not done anything
Totally
in life,
given a
तो मैं क्या
diplomatic
बोलूँ?
answer which won't do. You have to take a shot. Come on. Or else I'm leaving.
No. FYI, मैंने ऐसा कुछ काम नहीं किया. I have not
अच्छा,
done anything bad in school or college. Just because she's forcing me, I'm having
Oh,
this.
it's not. Okay, now you'll say that again I'm bullying you and you're being victimized and things. Oh shit. It's bad, I know.
So fucking bad.
Bhai jawal ka.
I have to have the whole thing, no?
No.
Okay.
It's okay. इतना मैं तुम्हारे लिए छूट दे सकती हूँ.
You wanna drink?
No. When I choose not to answer, definitely.
It's so bad.
Okay, so now it's your turn. What is it, Joe?
Okay, sorry. How many relationships / almost relationships have you had in the past?
0.
So I don't think I'll be answering that question. So for that, I'll have to again have a shot.
You're clearly losing.
I could
I don't know
potentially
if you're
answer,
giving
but
points for this game.
I wanna like keep a little suspense, you know, like
From mom and dad.
no, not from mom and dad, from everyone. So it could be a yes, it could be a no, just to spice things up.
Oh. Till then, I'm picking up.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Why am I doing that?
Have you ever cheated on any exams? Oh,
Yeah, of course.
which exam have I
Have I
not
not?
cheated?
Exactly. And you know,
After class 10.
no, not after class 10.
Yeah,
I tell you, मैं वैसी बंदी हूँ like मैं अगर cheat नहीं कर पाऊँ ना, I like keep showing others. I don't know why I
same
feel
with
nice.
me.
Yeah, like मैंने cheating like that I've done a lot.
Ask my college friends.
I'm not trying to
Sit before and after.
Yeah, literally. Like I'm not trying to send the wrong message, but बहुत cheating किया मैंने life में. Like question papers pass करके, we've literally like I'm telling you back.
नहीं, इतना desperate ही बस अपना
No,
copy
we
ऐसे
have
दिखा देते
we
हैं.
have done like back. I was in class 8. We would like share question papers first bench से last bench तक.
You are the
सभी को
one
मिलता
big
था.
despo.
सभी को मिलता था. I have showed so many answers to so many people. So yeah,
That's
so ऐसे
fine.
cheating मैंने खुद किया. Cheating कराई भी है लोगों को. फंसी भी हूँ. And it was fun. Like you know, cheating is always fun. But don't cheat in relationships. Yes.
वाह मोदी जी वाह वाह
Okay, Khanya, we have two questions. Okay. Have you ever been rejected by anyone, like relationship wise? Like you told someone you like them and then been rejected?
I did not clearly tell them, but definitely I had given signs, and I'm sure that they weren't interested. So that was, if you consider it as a rejection, then yeah.
Yeah, even I've been rejected.
Like not directly, wasn't rejected. Ki no, not like that.
No, I have been
Because I was never clear also that I
Yeah.
liked them.
I think I've been clearly rejected also, and that has also like you know made my self-esteem go down so bad.
Oh, that I know about that.
Let's not talk about
That
it.
person, yeah, I hate that person.
Let's not. Okay, the next question is, who according to you are overrated YouTubers? Like name someone, and if you don't
Okay.
want to name, you can have a sip.
No, I can name.
Yeah.
It's better than having that. Overrated.
See, apparently it's my game and I'm drinking constantly.
Yeah, exactly.
एकदम इन्होंने वक्त बदल दिया, जज्बात बदल दिए, जिंदगी बदल दी.
Actually, I'm not very much into YouTube, and I'm like, you know me very well, very specifically. I only watch certain.
Yeah, but there's
YouTubers.
must be some people who think are overrated.
I don't have much idea, but I think mostly say Prajakta, maybe.
Could be. Like, yeah, why not? I've got a couple of answers. The first one, I don't think you know them probably, but he's very famous.
Yeah.
Flying Beast. Have you heard?
Yeah.
He does this daily vlog thing. I have not watched any of his videos as of yet, but from what I've like seen like on other YouTube shorts and stuff, he like kind of really puts his family out in the public, which is something just I don't relate to, and I don't think you should be doing that. And second, along the same line is again the Tiwari sisters, Gopali and Janvi. They do make a really great content. I really enjoy
Are they
watching them.
overrated?
I do think at one point, because I'll tell you, like I do.
But I really like them.
Even I really like them. I love watching their content as well. But I do feel they are kind of overrated a bit, because all they share is their daily life and these like similar types of challenges. They got like literally ऐसे बोलते हैं ना ऊपर उठे just because of doing these 24-hour challenges, which are like I feel at least baseless. Like कौन ऐसा बंदा 24 hours blue food, pink food खाता है? But more power to them, definitely girl power. I love what they are doing, love it all. But I do feel they are a bit overrated. So we
It's
have
my
the
turn.
last 3 questions left. Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this off fast. Are you dating anyone currently?
If yes, then
These
who?
questions are just not for me.
Yeah. No, even I'm not dating anyone.
I
currently. No, I'm not. What the hell?
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm not.
मेरा तो दुनिया को पता है, अब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ.
मेरा भी सभी को पता है, I'm not dating
तुम्हारा तो बहुत डाउट है मुझे.
Have you ever gotten drunk or have you caused any scene after drinking?
I didn't.
What, at least drink
Wait,
for the
wait,
game, bro?
wait.
Stop
I'll
answering
tell you.
everything. No.
I've not created any scene.
Such a fucking liar. Please drink.
I've not created any
No,
scene.
please drink.
Now,
She's lying.
I hope you understand now.
ठीक
You
है,
know
stop
that.
lying. You didn't bully in school. You did nothing.
I
She's
have
a very
not.
good person.
I can't take this.
Please drink.
Come
No,
on.
stop. Just because you're scared of having the shot, you will just keep lying or what?
No,
Drink.
I'm not lying.
No, you have to
Okay, you
drink.
can call and you can ask her.
I don't
don't
call.
care.
I want you to drink. Drink. Okay.
No, why am I drinking this? I'm not lying.
Drink. Pathological liar.
Pathological liar. Why are you overreacting?
It is bad. You like it?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Why was I answering the questions? Why?
You like it? Ew.
I was such a fool. I thought it's bad, and I was constantly answering questions. Let's do this from the beginning.
No, again.
कट कर देना प्लीज इसे.
Are you mad? You like vinegar?
I didn't know that I liked it until today. अब तो मैं confused हूँ कि मैं आंसर करूँ कि सिरका पीऊँ. What is something you've never told anyone in your family?
A secret, yeah.
I've not told anyone in my family, like including you.
Including me, excluding me. But you've not told anyone.
No, there are things, many things I've told you, but not mom and dad.
And what is something?
And many things I've told mom, which I've not told you.
Okay, then tell something which you've not told mom and dad. Something.
And to you.
Is there a secret which you've not told anyone?
Yeah, but that's supposed to be a secret. I just can't say that. So I would prefer to drink.
Yeah, just because you
Just
like
because now I like this.
I don't have any secrets. The only secret which I have, I already told that class 9 में I had a crush. उसके अलावा
Aww.
and anything as such मैंने ऐसे छुपाया नहीं है. जो भी होता है I tell you.
Shashi.
Secrets I have nothing from at least her.
That's a nice welcome drink you can have for your guest.
I am playing with sociopaths. Like, why am I doing this? So guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to bring my sister more often on my channel, then do leave a comment down below. And with that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!